What is ambient mode on YouTube? So YouTube just rolled out with an update on various settings. So you can turn on ambient mode on videos. You can even zoom into the videos on YouTube to make it more clear and many more features. So in this video, we're specifically going to talk about ambient mode and what it does. So it is only available on dark mode of YouTube, so you will have to turn your dark mode on in order to enable your ambient mode. So what ambient mode basically is, ambient mode basically takes the color of the video and it makes a subtle glow around your screen. So as you guys can see here, this gradient color is also embedded on the side of the video around the screen. So you can see the subtle changes of color around this title area on the left side of the screen, also on the right side of the screen. So this is what the ambient mode does. And this is what it looks like on a lighter gradient. So if it's white, the color around your screen also turns into white and it gives a subtle glow to your area around the screen. And if you use more vibrant colors, it will be more noticeable. So as you guys can see, these bright colors are more noticeable around the screen. And basically this is what the ambient mode does. It is available for both the PC version and mobile or mobile Android or iOS version on YouTube. So if you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.